Hello friends and students, I am from Sharma classes. Today we learned in this video how to measure pH of unknown solution by the pH meter and how to operate and calibration of the pH meter. And what is the buffer solution, use of the buffer solution, preparation of the buffer solution. This is video is live and we learn practically. So we get started this video. This is the pH meter, that is many brands are available in the market. This is brand of Matrax and this is brand of Asico. pH, a simple device to measure the acidity or alkalinity of the solution. A pH meter acts a voltmeter that measures the electrical potential between the pH electrode and reference electrode and display result. This is the pH meter, and this time it is a standby position, and it have a glass electrode and that is a temperature probe. The glass electrode consists a thin glass bulb containing dilute HCl in the AG wire, which is insert AG wire serving as the electrode with fixed voltage. The HCl solution is separated from the test solution by the membrane of the special glass, usually lithium silicate is composition. The glass electrode, the most important role of the pH measurement. In the glass electrode, we can see that AG wire in this glass electrode. This is the reference electrode, and fill the solution of KCl solution. Why KCl solution use? The maintain of the constant potential of the AgCl electrode and electrolyte solution is needed, which has sufficient chloride ion, which is pH is neutral. So 3M KCl are used in the glass electrode. So guys, we require the pH meter, glass electrode, buffer solution, conical flask, beaker and volumetric flask is required apparatus for the pH measurement of unknown solution. The pH meter is many brands are available in the market, but function are same. In this pH meter, that is a brand of Matrax, and it has a on screen. We see the 7 pH set, 4 pH set and set mode and standby mode. Mode is press the change of indicate that is yellow light are present time in standby, but press the mode, the convert to pH measurement and millivolt measurement. Second, when we started measurement of the pH, any unknown solution, any solutions like and soil and other acidic solution and basic solution and non solution, we can calibration of the pH meter. It's necessary requirement the calibration. Why calibration is required? Because we sure the instrument is properly working or not. You can calibrate it by buffer solution. What is the why prepare buffer solution and how to prepare buffer solution? The method is available on IP Indian Pharmacopoeia and other reference books, but we can prepare and by we can prepare in lab. Preparation of the buffer solution for requirement for calibration of the pH meter. After talk that the buffer pH tablets are available in the market, I have Fisher Scientific, this Merck buffer tablet are available in the lab. Buffer tablets, I can set buffer tablets. One tablet of 4 pH and 7 pH and 9 pH available in the market. 3 buffer are required for pH calibration, pH meter calibration. One tablet of buffer solution of pH 7 is crushed and 100 ml double distilled water are used for the buffer solution preparation. Mix the tablet, one tablet mix in 100 ml double distilled water with the help of volumetric flask. 100 ml volumetric flask make up this water 100 ml, and we have prepared 7 pH buffer solution and 4 pH buffer solution and 9 pH buffer solution. Each buffer solution are prepared for pH meter calibration. So we can see that I have prepared 7 pH buffer solution, the filled in buffer solution bottle, and already mentioned in buffer solution 7 pH. These solutions are buffer solutions, the 9.2 pH solution buffer solution, 4 pH buffer solution and 7 pH buffer solution, which are used for calibration of the pH meter. After the measurement any unknown solution pH, we can calibrate it pH meter. So we get started for calibration process. In this time this pH meter is on standby position. Standby position means current is not flow, and any measurement is not show on the display. But when the calibration process, we can 7 pH solution are used for calibration process, which is required for the instrument are accurately result are obtained or not. We can require for so. Open the pH solution and dip the electrode in pH buffer solution. After the buffer solution, pH electrode are cleaned by double distilled water and clean the tissue paper roll. Buffer solution, dip the electrode in buffer solution and press the mode button, and yellow light indicate pH measurement. On the screen we can see 7 pH. If 7 pH is not available, after 1 2 minutes set the pH. If 7 pH is not obtained on the screen, we can adjust pH for the button in the back side of pH meter. You can see that is the button. Temperature set and pH set button are available in the back side of pH meter. Okay, then the pH show on the screen in 7 pH. We can measure the unknown solution pH. Our equipment is okay condition and for use for analysis. Press the mode button and reach the standby position. Hello, we can start the measure of pH unknown solution. We have a unknown solution, maybe acidic and basic, I don't know, but I know that 0 to 7 pH have a acidic range, 7 pH is a neutral range, and 7 to 14 pH is a basic range. What is the solution? I don't know, but we can measure the pH and identify that the acidic solution and basic solution. For example, we take some solution in the beaker. After the calibration, electrodes are rinsed by the double distilled water and clean by the tissue roll. Very important things, the electrode are very carefully used due to made by glass, and AG wire are the reference electrode, and filled solution is KCl solution. When KCl solution is are necessary filled, 3M KCl solution are used for the glass electrode. So again, we take a solution, unknown solution, in the beaker and dip the electrode with temperature probe. Temperature probe is the most important role in this pH metry. Due to temperature control, temperature probe is measure the temperature, because we know that about the pH is depend on temperature. The temperature is most important role in pH analysis. The electrode and temperature got dip in the solution. After 1 minute, shake it and press the mode button. The green signal present on pH and show the screen 3.20 pH, my unknown solution. So we can see the 3.20 pH has a solution. We can say that the solution is acidic range. We know that 0 to 7 is acidic range, 7 is neutral range, and 7 to 14 is basic range. The solution is acidic range. The solution is acidic, like any acid are present in solution. Other soil and other analysis also measure the pH. For example, some soils sample dissolve in double distilled water and filter it, and the water pH, the filtered water are obtained and measure the pH by pH meter, and after the pH measurement we can calibrate the instrument due to by the buffer solution, because the instrument have error, the pH measurement have error. So please guide. I understand that my video is completed, so you will get a procedure, operating system, and method, and preparation of the buffer solution and use of the buffer solution. So please like and share my video and my channel, and please comment on the box. Thank you.